What's good, YouTube? We are back. Another video. Hope all is well. Hope everything's been good in the hood as it should. Kind of want to give you guys an update on some of the progress and what I got planned. It's a lot going on, honestly. Whether it's I have to do brakes on the Atlas, waiting for some spacers to come in. Got to place the tires on the Atlas, and then I have a bunch of stuff for this. And then the 997 will be back, and I gotta work on that. But I wanted to talk about what I have planned for this car and what these next few videos will probably be about. But I'm excited. It has something to do with the interior, and I'll show you guys. So, interior, but we wanna make that better. So, let me show you what I got. All right, so I'm in my office. Again, a lot of stuff in here. Just get some light. Lots of parts. 997. Then I also have a box here for the Targa, which I want to show you guys. So first, I want to start off by saying huge shout out to Newark Auto. They are a company in Newark, New Jersey. Recently revamping and just doing some they got a lot of major things down the pipeline. So huge shout out to them for working with me on this project, as I reached out to them to try to figure out a way I can update my interior on the Targa, because I have the standard black was it Perlon carpet, and I wanted to do something a little bit more updated and kind of nice and high quality, and kind of in line with some of those resto mods, Singer builds and Kega builds and all that stuff. So reached out to them, talked to them, got some good dialogue back and forth, got some samples in, which was great. And then I settled on this carpet kit. So what I'm gonna show you is, it's all in the box, but I just want to show you the finish and show you the quality and what it looks like. This will be the carpet for the Targa, and it also is a RS kit, so we'll delete the rear seats as well, which is exactly what I wanted. And it's also the front carpet as well. So without further ado, let's check it out. Boom. All right. So as you can see, it's a nice, this is it has the buttons on here, so this is for the front. But it's a nice gray with the black binding, and I just think that's gonna look really good, especially against the lighter color car. I'm gonna keep the seats. I got some other seats coming in, but it's gonna be black leather, so I think that's gonna be a good contrast with the yellow accents as well. So yeah, again, this is for the front, I believe. All this here, yeah, and then this down here is going to be for the interior of the car. So I mean, yeah, looks really good. It's gonna be a pain. Well, not a pain. It's gonna be a how should I say it? An engaging task installing it. So matter of fact, let's take this out, and so we can kind of see what that will look like. I'm gonna put it in the front seat so we can kind of get an idea what that would look like as opposed to the black interior. Open this up. Okay. So here's the black. That will be the gray. Yeah, that's gonna brighten things up very well. Again, so the dash will stay black leather door cards. The seats I have predominantly black. The black center console with the shift boot and everything. Getting rid of the seats and pop the hood as well. Alright, so here's the front. So yeah, all that's gonna get updated. So what I have to do is missing a few fender bolts. I have some, and I also have some of the snaps. I bought some of those as well. So I'll be adding those to the thing so that way I can get everything securely fastened in the front. So yeah, I think that's gonna be pretty nice. Yeah. So yeah. Again, this is gonna go inside here. I don't even know which way this shit goes, but something like that. Right? So get the idea. So in order for me to do this task, what I think I'm going to end up doing is, of course, I got to take the seats out. So take the seats out. And what I'll do is lay out the OEM carpet here in like the same pattern. So just kind of transfer it over, boom to boom. Lay it all out, and then take the new carpet, find the pieces that kind of coincide with the existing one, and then lay that out. I gotta get glue, I gotta get some adhesive remover, probably maybe a brass brush, some mask, stuff like that. And yeah, just want to try to do it the right way. Want to try to do it nicely and have it look very, very good. So it's gonna be a project, but it's gonna be awesome. So stay tuned for that. So again, Newark auto upholstery. I mean, you could say, this is my initial thoughts, right? I mean, one, he got a local, when I say local, I mean United States company that you can get your carpet kit from, providing, everything. It's instead of, you can go Carbone, you can go to Poland or some of the other overseas companies, just fine. But I like to support local and American-made companies. They are made in Newark, New Jersey, so I'm all about that. And yeah, I mean, once you get your order, it probably takes about 2 weeks for it to get made and shipped out. So I put a link down in the description to them, so you can check those guys out. Check to see all the colors. This is called German weave, and this is what I really, really wanted. But it have the other German square weave, and then they have the other stuff, the silver knit, the purlon, the everything, all the materials that you would see in classic European Porsches, from dating from the 70s all the way up to the 90s. So get a kit, get one for the front, get the kit for the car, whatever you need. Great pricing, great customer service. And yeah, so check those guys out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Again, this will be a multi-part video in which I will be installing these things. So I'll probably do the front first because that shouldn't be too crazy. That'll be the next video. And then after that, I'll start doing tear down, all that stuff of the interior and all that jazz. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. This is going to be a short, brief one. You see what it is. Again, Newark Auto came through clutch with the carpet kit. Get yours today. Stop sleeping. Update that 911. And I'm sure they have other kits as well. But yeah, get you some nice carpet, and can't wait to get this thing installed and show you guys the goods. So keep being great. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.